ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਟਾਕਸ਼ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨਾ ਹੈ। ਕਿਵ ਸਚਿਆਰਾ ਹੋਈਏ ਕਿਵ ਕੂੜੇ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਪਾਲ। ਇਹੀ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੂੜ ਸਾਡੇ 'ਚ ਜੰਮ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੋਚ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। For this purpose, every week we invite Dr. Harbans Singh Kandola, who comes and talks in English about Asa Ki War. What has Guru Nanak Sahib tried to tell us in this particular Bani, and what we need to incorporate from this by learning into our daily life. So let's welcome once again Dr. Harbans Singh Kandola, and we will continue with our discussion. Last time we were reached till slok 15, body number 2nd, in which Guru Nanak Sahib was telling us that we have to leave all that evil thoughts what we have in our mind, and we need to start from a fresh beginning, whereby we have to bring that positivity into our life, which needs to be reflected also. So let's continue with our discussion. Jai Anand ji,
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa,
Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Harpreet ji, we are discussing slok 2nd of body 15, lakh choriyan, lakh yariyan, lakh kuriyan, lakh gaal. In this slok, Guru Sahib is saying, but look, man, what is your character? You do immoral thing, you're fraud and cheating, speak harshly and immoral actions. And this is your character, but look what you're doing. And you do that with your man de naal karde hage ha. Tag kapahon katiye, Baman vatte aaye, koi bakra rin khaya, sabko aakhe paaye. This has been translated, Harpreet ji, the thread is spun from cotton. Brahman comes to the house of the devotee and twists this the thug into a thug or janeu, and and then the goat is killed and cooked, and everybody eat, and then everybody says put on the janeu and lao janeu pa gaya. Here thug means worthless rituals in the context of religious worthless religious practices. Now when Sangat get that translation, they don't apply that. Gurbani is always, when we want to interpret Gurbani, apne te tuka ke gal karo. ठीक. Guru जी मैनू कह रहे ने, मेरी गल चल रही है, मेरे मन दी गल चल रही है. Now here Sangat thinks the problem is a Brahman and his followers. We are out of this, and Brahman was bad. The message is for us, for the whole mankind. What is the message? Essence of this is, a man sick, your character is as we discussed. You continue doing all kinds of worthless rituals and religious practices, and do hundreds of these. You believe that you are doing your religious duty, hoping to live in peace by doing the rituals. Guru says that never happens. Right. And you are in fact fooling yourself. Gurbani, the message is very clear, Harpreet ji. Manmukh bhagat karan, kare bin satgur bhagat na hoy. Guru Sahib kehne, without realizing the truth, our religious practice you are doing are worthless. Hoye purana suttiye, fee per paiye hor. The janeu gets old, and then they throw it and they put on another one. No, this message is for us. Guru says you are performing hundreds of worthless ritual practices, and you are doing it every day, every year, repeating it. This is the essence of the message. Bin Satgur Bhagat na hoy. There are no change in your behavior. आदतां बदलनियां नहीं, मन नूं तसल्ली दे लई कि मैं यह अपने धर्म दे काम जिहड़े ने ड्यूटी पूरी कर दित्ती है. उन्हें नानक तग न टुटे जे तग होवे जा. Now, Harpreet ji, this has been translated that the Nanak, the thread would not break if it has any strength. Now, this is a literal translation which carries, which completely
has no relevance.
No relevance, you know. Now, here tag is here in a positive sense. What tag? Keda tag nahi tutda? Guru Sahib kehndे ne, the tug of contentment, self-control, compassion, kindness, moral character, universal truth. Guru says this tug never breaks, and you never lose this. This tug is a universal truth. Harpreet ji, as for we were just talking about the translation, and I just want to bring this up here. I visited the Gurdwara last Sunday, and when I looked at the translation very carefully, we do that before, but when I looked at the translation very carefully, I was very shocked.
Oh
I
yes,
was
it is a matter of
completely
concern
shocked.
that
It's
the
a
English
matter of
translation, what we
very,
are showing in
very
our gurdwaras and other places, because we don't have any other resource. There's just one resource, and we bank upon that. But unfortunately, there are so many kind of literal translations of the things which do not have any message for our
Let me
youngsters.
give you an example.
Sure.
ਸ਼ਬਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਗਾਇਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਲਾਹਾ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਮਨਮੁਖ ਚੱਲੇ ਮੂਲ ਗਵਾਏ
YGO, right?
The translation was the Gurmukh reap their profits and then they leave.
Where?
And while the self-willed
Ji.
Manmukh lose all their investments and they leave disappointed.
Right.
No.
Doesn't make any sense.
And it does not make any sense.
Right.
The essence of that, the Shabad is those who realize truth,
Ji.
spiritually awakened, virtuous Gurmukh enjoy bliss, inner peace and happiness. ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਖੇੜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਲਾਹਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲੇ
That's right.
ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ
Absolutely.
This is the message Guru wanted to give us.
Very true. And here, as you very rightly mentioned, that we need to work on this particular aspect, that the translation which has happened, there needs to be some rework on this, and that transliteration of that needs to be changed, and the essence of that, these kind of sloks should be emphasized so that our youngsters get involved in it.
Yeah.
They don't get disappointed by listening to these things.
Yeah, the other part was that the Manmukh Challe Mool Gavaye Jio, those who are egoistic, slave of their own mind, evil and wicked thoughts, suffer in pain, anxiety, depression, and waste their life. ਇੱਥੇ ਨਰਕ ਭੋਗੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਮੂਲ ਗਵਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ you the person who is the young person who is reading there
Ji.
in Gurdwara that the slok is talking about making profits with your investments and sometimes you lose money and you get disappointed. Completely contrary to the message
They
we
can't
just
relate
just
to what is being said.
No,
and that is
instead
why
of
the disappointment.
educating,
Yeah.
instead of educating,
Ji.
we are turning them off.
Away.
We are turning them away. Is this the Gurbani?
Right.
Now, Harbi, the question is like Gurdwara committees, why is this acceptable?
Because there's no other resource available right now, and that is why they think, because generally when we talk to them, they say youngsters want or parents demand that there should be something in English so that we can relate with them, and this is the only resource available to us, and that is why we put over there. But as you very rightly said, we are not understanding the damage is more rather than getting some benefit.
What about a non-Sikh reads this?
Oh yeah,
What would they say about it?
absolutely.
Now, you know, it's a challenge that it's not a huge task to do that. I talked
for the
to
community,
few
there is
people,
nothing, yeah.
but there's no commitment.
That's right. That
You
is
know,
where we
it's not
lack.
a huge thing to change that
Ji.
and get the message that we just discussed.
Right.
Laha lana ki hega, mool gwana ki hega. We can translate those, but somebody has to take some initiative.
But
and
that
show
initiative
concern.
has to be with some backing. Unfortunately, in our community, there is big talk, but when it comes to action, everybody withdraws. Everybody wants a change, but nobody wants to be a part of that change. And that is what is unfortunate.
ਉਹੀ ਫਿਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਗੋਲਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਆ ਸਾਰੀ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਹ look, this is a simple question
Very right.
to our listeners,
Yeah.
Gurdwaras, whosoever. Simple question: when this is doing a damage,
Ji. Why is
when
it allowed?
turning off our youngsters, why shouldn't we doing anything?
That's right.
Why are we not doing anything about
That's
this?
right.
Yeah.
But someone has to take the lead, as you very rightly mentioned, and as the resources which are available are not available right now. So the Gurdwaras have the authority. Somebody should take the initiative and stop this until and unless we have something concrete, which rather than creating more confusion amongst
Yeah.
our youngsters
Yeah.
or even among the common people also.
Common
What to
people,
talk
yeah.
of the
Common
youngsters?
people, yeah.
So
Yeah.
they have to come forward and talk about these things.
Yeah. So, now we covered the slok number 2 and number 3 slok mala pehla.
Ji.
Guru Sahib ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾਏ ਮੰਨੀਏ ਪਤ ਉਪਜੈ
Right.
ਸਲਾਹੀ ਸਚ ਸੂਤ ਦਰਗਹਿ ਅੰਦਰ ਪਾਈਏ ਤਗ ਨ ਟੁੱਟ ਸਪੂਤ.
Ji.
Yeah, the ਨਾਏ ਮੰਨੀਏ means realizing the truth and spiritual uplifting.
Right.
Salahi means internalizing the truth. Sach means universal truth. Poot means truthful.
Ji.
Guru says here in this slok, one should not be in any illusion, plekhe andar na rahe, by performing worthless rituals and religious practices.
Ji.
One can be man of higher consciousness, spiritually awakened and virtuous. The only source is understanding, realizing, and living the truth. Sunaya manya, man kita pao. That is only when that happens, you enjoy bliss and inner peace.
That's very true. And before we go further, I would just like to touch the previous sloka also, whereby you talked about that Guru Nanak Sahib is talking about integrity. He's talking about raising your consciousness. When we talk about the immoral acts and when we talk about the frauds being committed in our society today, and that also by Sikhs, that is a matter of concern, because that way also statistics are also pointing out that the image of the community is not that good which it used to be. So there that standard or that recognition which used to be there, everybody sees you with a suspicious eye, and here we have to come forward and make it a point that whatever we are talking, we walk the talk and not just talk the talk.
Absolutely, you live that.
Absolutely. We'll continue with the discussion what Guru Sahib says further ji after this break.
Okay.